Sometimes life can feel pretty great. But as you grow up, there may be things that make you feel upset, scared, worried, or angry. When things are tough in life, what do you do? Who would you turn to? Who would you tell? Who can be your voice when you don't know what to say? We can be your messenger, making sure that you're heard and finding the support that you need. Sometimes things can get stormy and you need some support. No matter how dark things can get, you can get help to make things a little brighter. As you grow up, we're always here, standing strong, ready for when you need us again. Whenever you need to ask for advice, we're here to help you figure out what's right for you. There are many things that you go through as you're growing up, both good and bad, but you can get through it. Meic has been here for the children and young people of Wales for over 10 years, offering information, advice and advocacy when you needed us. Meic will be there with you through it all. You can call, text or chat to Meic online confidentially between 8 a.m. and midnight every single day. Call 080 880 23456, text 84001 or chat to us online at www.meic.cymru. If you find that you need help, you can always lean on Meic for support.